Okay, guys, I'm going to set you up over here. All right. I just got done tightening everything up, making sure the valve open and closes perfect. So now I'm just going to start it up, check it out, and then we're going to put this on. Now, I got to say, for $100 for 2 of these kits off eBay, $98 it was, free shipping. Honestly, they're very nice for the money. And you get 2. So if parts break, you have 2 separate remotes, 2 separate boxes, 2 separate pairs of wires, 2 motors, 2 Y valves, 2 tips. So, you know, on a single application like this, it's great. So you always have spare parts. Oh, I'm going to start the truck. All right, so everything sounded good. Everything's working. So I just want to let you guys know. So you see these screws here? Sometimes they come loose, you got to tighten them. I'm going to get Loctite, and I'm going to put Loctite on here. I put Never Sees on these bolts so you can get it in and out. And I'm going to take out these little screws here, and I'm going to put Loctite on these, so the valve won't come loose and you get that rattle. So let me throw this on. Every month you should take this off, get in here with some carb cleaner and clean all the carbon off that so it doesn't stick and it doesn't get all built up on you. So I'm going to put this in an easy to get to kind of access. I don't go off-roading or anything like that, so I'm not really worried about anything too much as far as that goes. Now when you do this, make sure you have a battery in your drill. All right. And that's it. I'm gonna get some Nemesis for this, but this is a lock nut, so you know you could always get more nuts. It's not a big deal. Anyway, that looks good. Everything's nice and tight, and that's it. I'm gonna test it out again with the remote if I can find it. Oh, ignition's off. Alright, everything seems to be working. Alright guys, so I'm happy with the results, but I am not happy with the muffler shop I took it to. Unfortunately, I didn't buy one of those expensive $500 to $800 kits on a budget, so I bought one of these kits because it came with two for $98 off eBay, and basically, you know, was at the mercy of the muffler shop. So I took it to another muffler shop that, you know, is willing to do it the right way. Basically, I want them to go over the 3-inch pipe on both sides, and that's really it. So, what was I gonna say? That's really it, guys. So, I like it. I'll make a part 3, 4, 5, whatever of it running, and I'll also give you guys an update, let you know what failed, if it's still working, and all that good stuff. All right. So, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.